Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today I will be assembling Harriet's. Let me see if I've got the right lighting here. There we go. Okay. Harriet is a full limb vinyl doll. She does come with a belly plate, or well, I added a belly plate to her. Okay. So I'm sorry, did I say Harriet? I meant Hazel. Hazel by AK Kitagawa, who also is the same sculptor that made a doll by the name of Harriet, and they look kind of similar. But this is Hazel. Okay, Hazel is limited edition, and she is kit number 372 of 500. Okay, so we'll put that there, and you guys get to watch me assemble Hazel. I've got all of her little outfits ready. She is adorable. Okay. So Hazel is around a 19-inch, and I have painted, oh, this is heavy. Oh, I've painted Hazel with Genesis Heat Set paints. And I have sealed her with Beatrice Clemente Satin Matte Varnish, which is my absolute favorite, as I'm sure most of you know. I just can't say enough about that varnish. It's my absolute favorite. I've tried many since Genesis was discontinued, and that one is just my absolute favorite, guys. You know, I feel I need a little bit more light, so give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay. How's that? I hope, let me know, you guys can let me know in the comments. This is one of my lamp lights that I use for when I paint my watercolors and my other kind of painting. And I keep it on my other desk, my other work desk, but we need it. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Hope you guys had an amazing new year. Lots of changes happening for my family. Lots of good changes. I would love to do these videos live and actually have time to like read the comments live. That would be so fun. But a lot of the times, the majority of the times, I work at night. And it's really hard for me to kind of set a schedule as to when I'm going to be in my studio. I really don't work during the daytime because I homeschool my kids. I homeschool my 2 boys during the daytime. And you guys, for those of you that have children, you guys know how it is with boys and sports and all that good stuff. So my time is taken up with that, and then I work nights. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in the comments. I promise I will get to them. It might take me a week, but I do usually on Fridays. I try to go through my messages and try to answer everybody. If not Friday, Sunday, which is more of a Sunday is more of an admin day for me, where I kind of get my studio back in order, do all the administrative stuff. I fill these limbs to about right here. I don't bring it all the way up, because if this happens to fall out, which it doesn't because I push it in pretty fairly well, but if, let's just say, the body was to get soiled and the mommy wanted to change the limbs, change the body out, pull the limbs out, I wouldn't want glass beads to spill all over. So having a good amount of cotton right there at the beginning is really nice. I used to buy the plugs that go here, but I find this method to be pretty good. I sometimes would have issues with being sent the wrong ones, and then I wouldn't have the full set, and it was a bit cumbersome. And I know some people do put like a lid on here and glue it on. I prefer not to do that, because if the mommy decided they wanted a little lighter or a little heavier and they want to either add more glass beads or remove some, then I wouldn't want them to go through the trouble of having to pull this off and, you know, possibly damage the paint or anything like that. So I don't do that. That's too short. Alright, that one's for the belly. Let me grab another one of these. I usually fill my dolls, depending on the size of the doll, at approximately 6 pounds. Of course, the bigger the doll, the more the doll's gonna weigh. I don't weigh this that goes in the head, because I mean I've assembled so many dolls. It's kind of like I can eyeball it now and pretty much know exactly how much I want that head to weigh. So yeah. Okay, so let me just really quickly move my camera forward just a bit. There we are. All right, so Hazel she's got an open mouth. Let me give her a real good spin. There's her hair. Has 3D texture painted hair, okay? So the hair has been painted in a few different shades to give it that 3D effect. And then there is a medium that has been applied to the hair and a tool used to give it a granulating effect, so that you can feel like if they're little individual strands, and then lightly rooted on top, following the pattern of the hair, how I painted it. So for those of you that like a little bit of rooted or painted hair, you get a little bit of both worlds with these. And her lashes are rooted as well. Okay. I have another one of these doll kits that I'll be painting as a boy. This one is going to be a girl. And I purchased several, two of these kits. My intention was to, where's that stick? Here it is. My intention was to record a course, a vinyl doll course, but I just did not have the time over the holidays. It was a little bit hectic, but now my husband purchased for us a new camera recorder with very high quality pictures that takes really good close-ups, which is what I was looking for. I want to take really good close-up pictures, the details, especially during a course. So hopefully this year I will get around to that. But we shall see. It is one of my goals to offer that. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. Okay, she needs a little bit more right there. Okay. All right. Okay, let's get her body and get her legs in. And then I always fill the bun with this polyfill, because this polyfill here is pretty sturdy. And I don't like for the buns to kind of collapse, which can happen with this fiber, the luxury fiber, because it's really plush and it's really like cottony and soft and very pliable. And so I don't use it for this part. And I forgot to do our stocking for the belly. I'm using 30-40, I believe it's millimeter glass beads, so they got a pretty nice thickness to them. A little bit more. Okay. Make sure you guys can see. And then this is the really plush, cloudy, like a little cloud, little puff cloud. I love this material. This is such a soft material, especially for a reborn doll. I use this as well on my 3/4 limb silicone dolls and my full limb silicone dolls. Speaking of silicone dolls, I have a new sculpt coming. I'll be pouring my very first one of my new sculpt this weekend. So you guys will get to see that. If you're on Facebook, come join me on my Facebook page. And it's where I usually post a lot of my work in progress dolls and things that are coming down the pipelines and my plans and different things like that. It's really my main platform, and then as you guys already know, I use this platform to do all my assembly videos and for my customers. She is almost assembled. To make sure the chest area is nice and packed so that it doesn't collapse on me. There you go. She's so soft. Perfect. I like to make sure that I cut these really close, so I don't want my customers getting all scratched up. Sometimes these things can, these little tie wraps can be pretty sharp. And so if you happen to have a doll with one of these that's kind of sharp, you can get very carefully use a nail file and just, lightly file it down. Make sure you cover the limb so that you don't accidentally file any part of the limb. Let me give her a little head support right there. Oh, see, that one's got a pointy piece right here. Perfect. All right. Oh my goodness. How cute is she? She looked like she's waking up and she's ready for a bottle. Like she wants to drink her milk. There she is. That little cutie is Hazel. Isn't she adorable? There's her little feet. Isn't she just a sweetheart? Oh my goodness. Just so adorable. I love her little hands. I love her chunky legs. Oh, I wanted to weigh her first. So let's do that. We're going to weigh her with her belly plate, and we're going to weigh her without her belly plate. Ooh, she's heavy. All right, I better write this down because I will forget. Okay. With belly plates, Hazel is 6 pounds, 6 ounces. And oh, my pen is acting up. I'll get another pen. There we go. Without belly plate, Hazel is 6 pounds, 2 ounces. And this little sweet girl deserves a diaper. Put it on backwards. Goes to show that I have not changed a real baby's diaper in quite some time. Okay, there is the little sweet girl. Isn't she just a doll? Adorable. Okay, I got a little hat for her. And she's got her little outfit. Because she has an open mouth, Hazel has a modified pacifier. The nice thing about not having a magnet is that you can really use these silicone passies, and it's just perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect fit. Sweet baby girl. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And she will be available soon, so stay tuned for that. Bye.